ꯈꯣꯏꯔꯝꯖꯩ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯖꯨꯂꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 8 ꯏꯪ 2010 ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯈꯤल भारतीय विद्यार्थी परिषद की 92रक सूब मपोक कुमोन भारत की मफम सिंबा थुंगना नेशनल स्टूडेंट्स डे हाइना पालन तौनरिबा नुमित असिगा मरी लेना ABVP मणिपुर की माइकैदगी ABVP की कार्यकर्ता सिंह अमदी मणिपुर अमदी मणिपुर मपादा माइनर सिंह तमदुना लेबिरिबा छात्र छात्री पुनमक्ता याको पाउजल पिजे। थैंक यू।
अखिल भारतीय विद्यार्थी परिषद अभी मणिपुर में बहुत मजबूत है। मधु लोहार जैसा मेरा दोस्त बहुत लोगों का मेहनत की वजह से आज मणिपुर में ये सिचुएशन और इतना मजबूत हुआ है। आज का 72वीं फाउंडेशन डे में अखिल भारतीय विद्यार्थी परिषद को मैं अपना दिल से सारी ढेर शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूँ।
Since 1948-49, Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad has been working relentlessly for the knowledge, character and unity of the country. Nation building and the welfare of the nation is the motto of the organization. On this 72nd anniversary of its foundation, I wish and I pray God Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad may rise from strength to strength and fulfill its vision and mission of making Bharat Mahan. Jai Hind.
ngasi Julai tarik 8 Sagwansen numit asi Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad ki 92 suba foundation day oibisida ayak isamak yamna nungaiba harau tayam phongdokjari matung taba chahi kayadasu Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad na pangthokpa program thabuk thorong kayada mangon pinabinama chakhotpa puraknaba ishorgi mafamda mangon nijari.
Today, the 9th July 2020 is 72 National Students Day and Foundation Day of the AIVP, Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad. On this auspicious day, I sincerely wish the AIVP and particularly the members of the AIVP Manipur unit for long live and serving this great state and the nation. The organization that gives students a platform to speak out and instill a sense of nationalism among the youth, a body that provides students a scope to find their true self, nationalism, national integration, social harmony, equality, and most importantly, shaping the youth for future leadership roles of this great country have always earmarked the AIVP. It has always remained an organization for the students, by the students, and of the students. And I would like to appeal especially to the student community of the Manipur to kindly join hand with the AIVP.
Ngasi July ki tang 8 yai parba numit AIVP ki 92 suba mapok kuman lakada भारतीय इतिहास संकलन समिति मणिपुर की तरफ तक ABVP की कार्यकर्ता सिंह अमदी ABVP मणिपुर का पाउजल पिजे।
On this 72nd Foundation Day of ABVP, I wish all members of ABVP and its associates. From this day onward, we should stand for one nation, nation first, and one education policy for all.
Hi everybody. Today, 9 July 2020, 72nd Foundation Day, Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad. I, Dr. Maibum Nadia Chan Singh, Head of Department of Yoga, Manipur University, ex-Vice President, Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad Manipur, and my personal behalf would like to wish this auspicious day. We have a dream that making our nation a modern and a developed one, freed from all circumstances, impediment and drawback. In order to realize this dream, certain youths imbued with such conviction commence on a movement centered in the college and the university campus. Today, 72nd Foundation Day Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad. On this memorable day, I wish to all Kartakaris, especially student wings, to dedicate and serve our country along with your study. Thank you. Happy 72nd Foundation Day Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad. Jai Hind.
आप सभी को बधाई देना चाहता हूँ। अखिल भारतीय विद्यार्थी परिषद के जो स्थापना दिवस है, आज 9 जुलाई 1949 में इसकी स्थापना हुई थी और मुझे बड़ा हर्ष हो रहा है कि आज हमारे अखिल भारतीय विद्यार्थी परिषद के परिवार में 32 लाख से ज़्यादा मेंबर्स हैं हिंदुस्तान में और हिंदुस्तान के बाहर। वैसे तो मणिपुर बहुत छोटा सा प्रदेश है, नॉर्थ ईस्ट रीजन में कॉर्नर में बसा हुआ है। अखिल भारतीय विद्यार्थी परिषद के विद्यार्थियों ने जो मदद की है लोगों की शिक्षा देने में, ट्रेनिंग देने में और साथ में अनाज देने में, ग्रामीण इलाकों में जाके लोगों को देखने के लिए, लोगों की सहायता करने के लिए बहुत मदद करी है और हमको पूरी तरह से विश्वास है कि ये कोरोना महामारी से हम लोग निकट भविष्य में जल्दी ही विजय पा लेंगे।
On this day of the 72nd Foundation Day of the Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad, I earnestly wish the organization to serve the country with more vigor and strength so that the journey of success with pride in serving the country continue in the coming years.
Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Lamaru Thaimer, former Vice President ABVP of Manipur Unit. Today on 72 Foundation Day of ABVP, I would like to wish you all a very happy National Student Day and also wish you all a very happy life. Long live ABVP. Jai Hind.
Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad, which was established on 9th July 1949, is largest student organization of the world. ABVP has been doing excellent job for students and for the whole nation. I convey my warmest greeting to Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad. Long live ABVP.
Namaste. I, Dr. Mahadev, convey my warm greetings to all the national students on the 72nd Foundation Day of World Largest Students Union, Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad, and I would like to convey my best wishes to the Karyakartas of ABVP in building better India through knowledge, goodness and unity. Jai Hind.
Ngasi July ni tang mapal National Students Day amadi 72 suba Foundation Day numit asida ABVP ki karyakarta pumnama amadi member khudingmakta aihak urmika maibamna yaifa paujil bijari khurumjari.
On this 72nd Foundation Day of Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad, I humbly send my warm wishes and greetings to you all. May God bestow His blessings and the grand success and the glory on the association for the years to come.
Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad has created a spark in the history of India which illuminates the students' movement in Bharat. And this glorious 72 years of journey is possible because of the generation of Karyakartas working tirelessly and relentlessly for the national construction. So once again on this auspicious day of the National Students Day, I would like to request to all the Karyakartas to work once again for the betterment of the students' community, because as we all know that the student power is the nation's power. Thank you.
I, Professor H. Basanta Kumar Sharma, Department of Physics, Manipur University, with a very happy Students' Day on the 72nd Foundation Day of the largest students organization ABVP.
नमस्ते। आज अखिल भारतीय विद्यार्थी परिषद की 72वां स्थापना दिवस पर सभी को मैं हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। भारत माता की जय।
मैं देवी प्रसाद काफले अपनी ओर से और अखिल भारतीय विद्यार्थी परिषद की कांगपोकपी जिला की ओर से अखिल भारतीय विद्यार्थी परिषद की 72वां स्थापना दिवस में सभी कार्यकर्ता, विद्यार्थीगण और अखिल भारतीय विद्यार्थी परिषद के शुभचिंतकों को शुभकामनाएं व्यक्त करता हूँ। भारत माता की जय।
My best wishes to all Karakatas of ABVP on its 72nd Foundation Day. Happy Foundation Day.
ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯈꯜ ꯚꯥꯔꯇꯤꯌꯥ ꯕꯤꯗ꯭ꯌꯥꯄꯤठ ꯄꯔꯤꯁꯠꯀꯤ 62th ꯁꯨꯕ ꯃꯄꯣꯛ ꯀꯨꯝꯑꯣꯟ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯍꯧꯕꯝ ꯔꯥꯖꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯁꯤꯡ ꯚꯥꯏꯁ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯠ ABVP इम्फाल यूनिटकी महुत सिंजरगा ABVP की कार्यकर्ता अमसुंग मणिपुर पुंबदा लेबा ABVP की थौमी पुनमको नुंगाई याफन पावजेन पिजरी।
याइफरबा नुमित 9 जुलाई 2020 थर्सडे नुमित सिदा अखिल भारतीय विद्यार्थी परिषद ABVP की 72 सुबा फाउंडेशन डे ताबगा मई लेना ABVP की
On this auspicious 72nd Foundation Day of Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad, I, Asemsanu Velorpati, Assistant Professor, Anganwadi College, Bintungpur, would like to wish and pray to God that Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad may arise for its strength for the fulfillment of the nation. Jai Hind.
On this 72nd ABVP Foundation Day, I, Konjamam Kiranjit Singh, Assistant Professor of Moirang College, convey my best wishes to all the ABVP volunteers, student powers, nation powers.
As students' organizations, our vision is to root out all the evils from our societies and regain the advanced visions of our ancient India by rebuilding the nation through cooperatives and participations every and each sections of the society, and also creating awareness about the role of our youth in social development programs. Every student must be taught the basic principles of Dharma, the life history of our great ancestors who lived and demonstrated those principles, the correct and from history of our people, with the history of our national heritage in its noblesse. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Ngasi July tang 2020 Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad ki 72nd Suba Foundation Day nimita leibak umada leibiriba karyakata singbu numit asigi yatmawol pijari. Happy National Students Day. Thank you.
Today, the 9 July 2020 is the National Students Day, celebrating all over India. It is the Foundation Day of world largest students organization Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad ABVP. On this auspicious day, we thank each and everyone who has been associated with ABVP since the foundation in 1949 by our eminent professors. As we celebrate 72 years of working in nationalist ideologies, motivating young minds, and leading the tours of student activism. Happy Foundation Day to all entire ABP family. Once again, thank you. Thank you.
नमस्ते। आज अखिल भारतीय विद्यार्थी परिषद ABVP की तरफ से 72 फाउंडेशन डे पर आप सभी को शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। भारत माता की जय।
tada maya punga ko ilila stramna ikopno na kumjari ngasi ase 72 foundation day of Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad na lakpada ABP ki NEC member ma oina ehakna maya punga ta yai phathawjal pijari. Thank you all.
Namaskar. ABVP ki 72 foundation day numit asida ABVP ki adhikari amasung ABVP karyakarta punamakpu nungai yaipa paujel pijari lamdam asigi chhatra chhatri amasung ABVP ki student karyakarta punamakpu National Student Day gi damakta nungai ba phongdokchari malem gi oriba COVID-19 pandemic asida ABVP na mangjingduna mayam gi seba pangthokpi bagi damak ABVP bu haningai letan thagachari amasung asigumna mayam gi seba tawba ngamnaba tungoinana ishwargi yathangsu hijari.
Wish all the students and youth of this country a very happy National Students Day and the 72nd Foundation Day of Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad. May the glorious journey continues. I urge the youth of the nation to be a part of this wonderful organization and contribute to the growth of this nation. Dhanyawad.
National Student Day amasung Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad ki 72nd Subha Foundation Day na lakpada leibak asida leiba chhatra chhatri amasung ABVP ki karyakartasingu yafa paujal pijari. Long live ABVP.
Kurumjari ngasi ABVP ki 72nd Subha Foundation Day na lakpada mayam da yafa paujal pijari. For the last 7 decades ABVP na chhatra singi marakta activism, student activism, nationalistic ideas mayam na character building and making education purakna honaba ikoi mayam sing se punya taminari tangkak kaya da ABVP na samas ki ba thorang kaya su thabai buduna la uji ko riba corona pandemic ki lockdown manung dasu ABVP karyakarta singna all over India da bharat ki mafam khudi makta ki manipur halakiba chhatra sing ki mateng pangtuna awana taraba sing dasu pau khonaduna mayam da nungai ba ama oin aphaba mo oin ba sinbada thawai kaya pu ki ba organization ABVP ngasi corona pandemic ki manungda mayam punba yadraga su magi level da all over India da mangthong ri thoron kaya amagari yamna harawa phawe madudi ai samaksu hairi organization ki part of mina ngasi asima thoron sida yawo bagi mayam puma makpu anna agachari lakba chahi kaya da mayam gi seba tawbu ngamba tun organization ma ni wakhalon ni ideology mayam da mang da thammi herga pang thawai pang thokpu ngamba organization mo ina ba